At 110 feet, blue whales are the largest animal to have graced the earth. Like ever. They could hold an African elephant, the largest land animal, on its tongue, and its heart weighs as much as a car. I guess the reason I've always related to blue whales, though, is because they eat about 4 tons of krill a day, and their baby calves gain about 200 pounds a day its first year of life, feeding off of their mom's milk alone. Blue whales look like a true shade of blue underwater. However, on top of the water, they're more of a grayish blue hue. They cruise the ocean at a relaxed 5 miles per hour, but can accelerate to 20 miles per hour when they are worked up. Blue whales can live up to 90 years, though they were almost driven to extinction in the 1900s by whalers seeking after whale oil. While 1966 brought protection for blue whales by the International Whaling Commission, they have unfortunately made a slow recovery to repopulate.